In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for overdraft alerts in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Origin doesn't currently have a dedicated overdraft or low balance alert feature. Also, this platform is different from traditional banks, so features like automatic overdraft protection aren't built in. However, you can still stay on top of your account activity using notifications. One useful option is large transaction alerts. To set this up, go to Settings, then Open Spending Settings. Look for large transaction alerts and turn it on. From there, you can set your preferred dollar threshold so you only get alerts for higher than usual charges. While it's not a direct overdraft alert system, this setup helps you monitor your balance more closely and avoid situations where your account might go too low. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.